The process of finding people that have interest, shared interest. So they're interested in our program, we're interested in them in their program, and believe that both of us can add value for one another. I think that adds a tremendous amount of impact and makes the 30-minute meetings well worthwhile.
This is an opportunity for us to, in a very consolidated fashion, meet with key decision makers, and even if they're not necessarily the first-line decision maker in our particular area, typically these are the quality of people who will lead us to the right decision makers.
Just the opportunities of the different companies that come to Marcus Evans are high, profile, high-end companies that have been around for many years.
Everyone's incredibly professional. Everything works incredibly well, and I think the schedules, they keep everyone on schedule. I think it's an extremely well-run event.
Sometimes it can take months to get an appointment with people like this that are the key decision makers or related to those in their organizations. So yeah, it's a very fast way to get to know people, build rapport, do follow-up, and if you do your job when you get back, it should lead to good results.